Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to update Becker Map Pilot Mercedes Benz. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can understand more. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and connect your Becker Map Pilot to your computer using the provided USB cable. And from there guys, just simply visit the official Becker Map Pilot website and just simply download the Becker Content Manager software from their website. So just simply install the software guys and just simply launch it and make sure your computer recognizes the connected Becker map pilot device. And guys, from there, within the software, just simply locate the option to check for updates. And from there, just simply click on the update option to check for available updates. And from there, guys, if there is an update, you should be able to download them through the software. And from there, just simply follow the on-screen instructions and install the update into the Becker map. And from there, guys, just make sure to keep it connected so you won't have any errors. And once the update is complete, you can safely disconnect the Becker map pilot. Just simply insert the updated map pilot back into the slot in your Mercedes Benz. And from there, guys, just simply start your car and just simply turn on the ignition. And from there, you should be able to have the updated version and you should be able to use it. And guys, if you encounter any issue during the update, just simply contact their customer support for assistance as well. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.